Hello, hello, Leanne. How are you?
Hi, teacher.
Hello, I miss you so much. How are you today?
Good.
Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Did you buy your new clothes?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So, what did you buy?
I got a dress and some. I don't remember. I don't remember what are they called?
Okay. So, can you tell me what is the color of your dress?
Pink and blue.
Oh, that's super nice. And did you buy new shoes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm so happy for you. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Okay, Leanne. So, today's session will be super, super, super easy. And I know you're super smart as well. So, what we will study today, what do you think? Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Okay, can you read what we will learn today?
Verb to be.
Yes, amazing. Great job, Leanne. Great job. Yes, you will study verb to be. So, are you ready to study verb to be?
Yeah.
Okay, so our session will be very excited. We will start with a song. We will play some games, and I'm sure you will have a lot of fun. So let's start. We'll start with the song
Yeah.
to learn what is verb to be. So I want you to focus. Try to repeat after the song, okay?
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
I am, you are, he, she, it is. I am, you are, he, she, it is. I am, you are, he, she, it is. We are, you are, they are. I am, you are, he, she, it is. I am, you are, he, she, it is. I am, you are, he, she, it is. We are, you are, they are. I
Okay, Leanne, now start to think with it.
am,
You
you
are
are, he,
he,
she,
she,
it
it
is. I
is.
I
am,
am.
you are, he, she,
It
it is.
is.
I
I
am,
am.
you are, he,
He,
she,
she,
it
it
is.
is.
We are, you are, they
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 are.
are.
I am,
I
you
am.
are, he, she,
He, she,
it is.
it
I
is. I
am, you
am.
are, he, she,
He,
it
she,
is.
it
I
is.
am,
I
you
am.
are, he,
He,
she, it
she, it
is. We
is.
are,
We
you are, they
are.
are.
Wow, Leanne, thank you so much. You're amazing. Thank you.
Very
So,
well.
okay, so now, oh, these are really cute cats. What do you think? Do you like them?
Yeah.
Okay, do you love cats or dogs? Which one do you love most?
I love cats.
Okay, you love cats. Do you want to have a cat one day?
Yeah.
Okay, and if you will have a cat, what will you name it?
Uh, I want to name it Cherry. No,
Cherry?
no strawberry.
Strawberry. Oh, that's a nice name. Okay, Leanne. So our cute cats, they have a question. Do you know what is the question? Or you want to
No,
know? Okay,
I want
let's
to.
know. Okay, you want to know. Okay, so what is verb to be? What is verb to be? Can we answer these cute cats? These curious ones? Let's answer. So verb to be, Lulu. Verb to be helps us talk about people or things or places. How is that? So this is verb to be. So verb to be help us to talk about people. If we want to say something about anyone or we want to talk about something or a place, we use verb to be. Now, let's see some examples. Okay. So when I say I am. Do you remember the song? I am. I am happy. Can you make a happy face? Make a happy face. Make a sad face. Make an angry face. Make a scary face. Make a grumpy face. Great job. So I am. What do you think? We should say I am what? You make a sentence. I am.
I am a human.
Oh, you're a human. Oh, that's nice. Okay. And you, we make it you are. I can say you are amazing, Lynn. And we can say he, she, it. They go with is. He is smart. She is. You complete. She is what?
She is beautiful.
Amazing. And it is.
Or she is marvelous.
Yeah, great job. That's a new word. That is amazing word. And we can say it is. Make a sentence quickly.
It is a toy.
Okay, perfect. And we can say we are. We are what?
We are friends.
Perfect. We are friends. Amazing. And they are.
They they are um, they are happy.
They are happy. Amazing. Great job, Lane. Great job. Okay, Leanne. So again, from the song, I am, you are, he, she, it is.
It is
I am, you
you
are,
are
he,
he,
she,
she,
it
it
is.
is.
I
I
am,
am
you
you are
are,
he, she,
he,
it
it
is.
is. We
We
are, they.
we are using our
Yes,
is.
great job. Perfect. Great job. Great job. Now you know the song. Okay. So are you ready for some examples?
Yeah.
Okay, look at this. Can you make a sentence about this girl?
She is jumping.
She is jumping. And what do you think? Do you think she's happy or sad?
Happy.
So can you make a sentence with happy?
She is really happy.
Yes, great job. She is happy. Amazing, Layton. Great job. Great job. You're amazing. Okay, and what about this picture? Can you make a sentence?
They are students.
Amazing. Perfect. They are students. And students stay where? They are at
School.
Perfect. Great job. They are at school. Great job. Okay, now I have some questions for you, and I want you to fill in the blank. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, so we will complete the sentences with the correct form of verb to be. Now we will use am, is, and are. Number 1. Can you read it?
I, a, the, and I am.
Perfect. I am a student. Great job. Number 2.
She, my, the,
Pass.
she, my best friend. She is.
Yes, great job. She is amazing. Okay, Elaine, you're amazing. Great job. Now let's go to number 3.
They in the park. They are.
Yes, great job. Great job. Now let's go to number 4.
We happy today. We are happy today.
Yes, great job. You're amazing, Elaine. You're amazing. Okay, now are you ready to play a game?
Yeah.
Okay, I will send it to you in the chat. Give me a minute. Okay, Leanne, so I'm ready to start this really good game. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so quickly join. I sent you the link. Quickly join.
What?
Join the game. Type your name and click start.
Okay, I'll just go. I'm gonna. Should I do start?
Yeah. Okay, you're here. Yay. Okay, let's start.
It's a dot.
Great job, Leanne. Great job. First one is correct. Great job. Amazing.
Thank
Okay, now let's go to the second one.
you. Okay.
Okay, second question.
How should I go to the second one?
You don't know how to go to the second one.
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you with that.
This one?
Yes, click on it. Did you get the second one?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Is it me? Teacher, can you help me with the first word?
Okay, which question? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one, you mean this one.
Which one? I can see.
What picture do you see with the question?
It's a man wearing a yellow hat and has a purse and some.
Okay, Anthony.
And he is an engineer.
Yes.
He is not.
Yeah,
And-
great job. Perfect. You're amazing, lady. You're amazing. An architect.
An architect.
Yes, great job. Perfect. Okay, you're amazing. Great job. Now let's go to number 3. Quickly.
Okay. I am 12 years old.
Yes, great job.
My brother is a doctor.
Yes, amazing. Great job.
She is a nurse.
Perfect. Great job. You're perfect. You're amazing.
Are they happy? Yes, they are.
Yay, Lulu. Great job. You're amazing, Leanne. Great job. Perfect. Great job. Great job. Great job. Ooh, great job. Great job. You're amazing. Great job. Okay, Leanne. So do you remember what did we study today?
Yeah,
Okay, we studied.
verb to be.
Yes, great job. So thank you so much, Leanne, for your time. I really appreciate it. And I will see you again in our next session. Okay?
Okay,
Goodbye.
goodbye.